Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, which is that of Tuesday, 30th day of January 2018. Everything is within your own risk and own reward via percentage gain and losses. These are the top winners and losers on the Bittrex exchange. Of main note, there's only about a handful of 10% winners and losers. For the day, market is in low volatility at this current time. It won't stay that way, and it's still very volatile depending on where you're playing. It's a volatile market. Bitcoin prices down about 625 or about 5.5% as a couple days ago, making it to the 18 average of highs. Now at the 18 lows, barely breaking below it. 10,000, of course, is the major key support. Breaking down below that 7,500 area would be my next target. Moving on to PivX. I had a buy order fill at about the 80,000 Satoshi handle. I talked about this a few days ago after it made its gain, and then I did not want to buy this at the resistance and where it came from. I decided on the 80, which is a more larger key level. I will be looking to sell on any significant move above the 18 average of highs, about 20% of my position, a little more, maybe 22%. And I'll be buying more, adding to my position if it comes down close to the 60 handle. Moving on to Myriad, MXMY is the code. And this one I think is the best one that I have found as far as the strategy that I've been talking about over the last few days. If you go back to its previous history, I outperformed this market by about 70 times or around that area. However, within its current market analysis, it's been riding this 18 average of lows in the area of this previous support. I wouldn't be surprised if there is another leg lower. And there's a lot of codes with bearish setups like this. ABY, Artbyte being one. CPC or Capricorn as another. District 0x, DNT having a very similar pattern. Pathetic coin, maybe not quite as bearish, but we can see over the last little bit it's a symmetrical triangle pattern. And this is happening after the tremendous gain, huge sell-off, and it's just still consolidating. So if the market prices are deemed to be not cheap enough for the people that really want to get in, you're definitely going to have another leg lower, maybe down to about the the 600 area. If it can find support successfully here, that would be big, because when we look at the area where resistance in 2017 played around, there's also a little bit of support here. If it can hold and stay above here, that could set up an interesting move later this year. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.